Hi everyone! Today we are going to continue looking at the present continuous. As we said in the last video, we use the present continuous for things happening right now, temporary situations, and planned future events. But how can we use it to make negative sentences? Let's see the sentence structure, then some examples and a quick quiz at the end. Okay, let's go. First, we need a subject. Then we add our helping verb to be in the present tense. Then the word not. This is our negative. And then we add our verb with ing. So it's kind of like a sandwich with the two verbs to be and with the ing as your bread and the not in the middle. So remember, in English, we like to contract words to make it easier to say. So we say, I'm not, you aren't, he, she, it isn't, you, we, they aren't. Sometimes, to really emphasize the negative part, we really stress the not. Let's have a look at some examples. I'm not reading a book. He isn't running in the park. They aren't cooking dinner. We are not having a good time. They are not studying for their exams. She isn't singing very well. It isn't raining today. Well done, everybody. I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more grammar videos. Next time, we will see how to make questions with the present continuous. Before we finish today, let's first have a quick quiz. Okay, are you ready? Excellent work. Write your own sentences in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more grammar videos. Bye-bye.